you're messing with my feelings and my heart.
We are here with Outre Perfect Hairline. This is their 13x6 lace frontal wig, Ariella. She is in a color 1B, and I do have her in 28 inches. So if you guys are OGs, y'all definitely know that I installed Ariella a year or two ago. Now, I ran them clips back and I was like, oh no, I need to redeem myself because what was I doing with them baby hairs? That's neither here or there. So I went and purchased her again, and we're going to install her because... This wig in specific does have an elastic band in the inside, so you can wear her glueless. However, if you do have a big head, you probably won't be able to fit it properly, so you're going to have to cut that out. This lace is going to have to be tinted as well because it does not blend. But let's get into this hairline because I'm obsessed all over again. Outre ate this ish up, okay? They put their elbow, they put their foot, they put their booty cheeks, they put everything into that hairline because she is giving. So now we're going into tint the lace. I'm using Red by Kisses lace tinting spray in the shade medium dark brown. I love this spray. Y'all know I rave about it. It smells good. It's very pigmented, and it just mimics you actually bleaching the knots. Y'all know we can't bleach the knots because it's synthetic, but if you want a bleach knot look, get this spray, and I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. I promise you. Look at the hairline once I tinted it. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Y'all see how natural that looks? And then they went ahead and gave us some baby hairs. So if you wanted to, you know, have those little natural, because they give us natural baby hairs, okay? So if you're not into the big swoops, you can just, you know, pull those natural ones back out. But I'm just going in to hot comb the hairline because look at that. This is HD lace, by the way, y'all. Do y'all not see what this is giving? And it's synthetic. Stop playing with me. Now we're gonna go in and cut off the lace. I'm using some scissors, and we just gonna cut fairly close to the hairline and also create jagged edges as well because we just don't want a blunt line sitting across our forehead because that's gonna give it away that it's a wig because we already know it's a wig, but we don't want it to look like a wig. You know what I mean? So while I'm installing my wig today, y'all, I wanted to share with you guys this TikTok that I, seen. And it's crazy because I'm like, people are really out here doing this. Now, I don't know, y'all probably already seen it. So this is just going to be a paraphrased version of it because I don't remember the story verbatim. But it's just crazy. Anyway, it was a girl and her friend, and they were outside taking pictures. Mind you, one of the girls is just always used to people coming up to her and complimenting her hair and asking where the hair is from. So she's not a gatekeeper. So she's like, I'm always going to go in my phone, find a link and send it to you so you can order the same hair. So this specific day, it was a car that was driving down the road as, they were taking pictures. The girl stops, yells out her car, girl, your hair look good, this, that, and the third. So I believe the girl just went over to her car. To the car window. So the girl's complimenting her hair, asking her where she got it from. So I believe she's in her phone looking for the link so she could send it to the girl. While she's doing all this, the girl asked her could she feel the texture of the hair and could she do a 360. So the girl begins to do a 360, still looking at her phone while the girl's touching the hair. Next thing you know, the girl said she feel a big yank and she just sees the car roll right off. Now, if you following the story, you would get what happened. I know this girl did not come up here and just snatch her wig off her head and rolled on. I just could not believe that. And the wig was secure. She used actual glue, not lace spray like me, glue. And the girl just ripped it off. Oh, we got to be careful in these streets now because these little bitties is stealing wigs. So it's like, hide your wigs. I just can't even fathom that. It's not that serious, sis. Now I'm just going in with a little bit more of my tinting spray. I sprayed it on this brush and I'm just patting it on the outside of the lace because y'all know I tinted the inside, but I don't tint the outside of it unless it's highly necessary. Now from certain angles, it's giving what lace. Look at this angle. y'all can't see nothing. It's just like gone. But when we turn straight on, that's why I'm like, oh no. Like, I'm just gonna do a little bit more melting. So I am gonna take my spritz and just spray the entire hairline. Y'all know the girlies who don't wear wigs, they be like, why do they always say what lace when we can clearly see their lace? No, Sherlock. Like, what's understood does not need to be explained. So now I'm just gonna dry down that spritz before I put on my elastic band, because the spritz can get stuck to the elastic band, and I don't like that. I don't like that for me, so I'm gonna dry it down a little bit, and then I place my band on. And now, y'all see what I was saying? It get a little bit stuck to the elastic band when it's not all the way dried down. So some of that product does come off, but that's neither here or there. It still looks freaking good. Do y'all not see these curls? I be getting tongue twisted if I be talking so fast. Do y'all not see these curls though? They giving what they supposed to give. I'm like, if y'all looking for a summertime wig, I think you need to go run and get you this wig, because she's giving what she's supposed to give. Now I'm just going in to create a middle part. I don't really define the middle part this day because I didn't really do a middle part. It was just like I needed a guideline to do my baby hairs. And like I said, they do provide you with baby hairs if you don't like the big swoops. They do give you baby hairs so you can just find them and then pull them back out. But I like to go in and create my own baby hairs because, you know, I just like for them to look a certain way. I like I love the swoops, but not everybody like the swoops. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my parts on both sides. And don't worry, they do not have to be even, because my baby hairs never be even. They be doing their own thing. And I just learned that I had to roll with it, okay? Now with curly hair in Pacific, I do not like, unraveling the hair, trying to detangle the hair. If I do, I be very gentle because I don't want to mess up the actual curl pattern. So as you've seen, I cut off what was not needed. Now, I am curling away from my face, and I figured this out because I was on TikTok. TikTok, you learn everything. So I'm going in with my Got To Be Glue, and I'm just going to dry that down and then swoop it. I love to dry this down before I actually swoop because this product can make a big old mess just like that spritz. So dry it down and then swoop. But like I was saying, I learned to curl away from my face because y'all know I always said I didn't like cutting my baby hair short and then trying to use my 1-inch flat iron to curl them because I would burn my face. But that was because I was curling toward my face. If I curl away from my face, it works, okay? And like I said, I learned that from TikTok. So shout out to the TikTok girls who put me on, because girl, I was burning myself. Like with the curly units, y'all, try to leave the curlers alone. Once you get into a style, leave it alone. Don't be going out in these streets, going outside, trying to run your hair through it, because it's not going to do nothing but create frizz and poofiness, and it's going to mat up, and you can be looking stupid. So anyway, y'all, just leave your hands out of that wig. We gonna go in and do a style. I end up doing a ponytail for you guys, because I know one of the videos I did a half up, half down. You guys want to see what I do. There is nothing to it, y'all. I literally find some hair, cover up the tracks that are showing, because there's a track showing over here on my left hand side. So I just take some hair and pull it up so it won't show, or I pull hair back down, and I just put my rubber band on it. Like the half up, half down style is the easiest style. Y'all see that track? We're gonna pull hair up and cover it up. It's not that hard, y'all. This is literally all I do. It's no method to it. So this is pretty much it to the video. Like I said, I just end up letting the hair free fall. I just wanted to show you guys this cute style. I would rate this wig a 10 out of 10, okay? And I wore this wig about 2 to 3 days before I took it off, and it's still in great condition. And like I said, do not be running your hands through this curly wig. You don't need to be doing that because you're gonna make it frizz. If it does frizz up, or you do have any frizzy pieces though, you can put some foam wrap lotion on it and it'll bring the curl pattern back. But otherwise than that, y'all, I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.